Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm glad to have you again today. And today we'll be talking about Wireshark. So, what is Wireshark? Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer. So, the thing is, it captures network traffic, which we call packets flowing in and out of a computer network. So, there are many activities that go on when you browse the internet. There are a lot of packets that are being sent, received, and sent, but you have no idea about this. So that is why Wireshark is important. It can help you to track every network packet that surrounds your network. Whatever message, packet you are receiving or you are sending, you can be able to see it through the Wireshark. So we call it a packet analyzer. Then it can be able to capture network traffic, all the network traffic coming in and out, flowing out of your computer's network interface. So when we talk about network interface, you think about things like Wi-Fi card or your Ethernet port. So many of us don't use Ethernet port again. So Ethernet port is that port where you can use to connect to an internet. So internet source. So many of us are used to Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is also a Wi-Fi card is also a point of which there can be flowing out of network traffic in and out of your computer. So it displays them in email readable format. So think of it like this. Um, Network cable is an highway for data. Data packet is like the cars driving on that highway. So a Wireshark is just like a police officer with a radar gun and a detailed logbook recording every car that passes by, where it's coming from, where it's going to, and what's inside it. So why do you need to know about Wireshark? So the point is basically if you're having network issues and you need to troubleshoot what the network issue can be, maybe the API call you have is not reaching the server, or what server is receiving a response that you're not expecting, or there are DNS issues, you can use Wireshark to be able to check the network packets and know why something is happening. Maybe you want to even see the request and response to the request in details. You want to spot and redirect authentication issues and all of those kind of things. Wireshark is important. But in the sense of cybersecurity, understanding TCP, IP is very important because you understand how Wireshark really works in the first place. Wireshark is now open, so what you need to do is to uh, start, capturing network packets. So it shows your interface. This is kind of your interface around here. See all your interface are shown, your wired, your Bluetooth, your wireless, and all of that. So the first one here, this one you see here, the VLP 2S0 is your wireless. This is your Wi-Fi. Then these are no addresses here actually. So if I have a Bluetooth connected to be here, and if there's anything connected to my system, to also show in display. This is my network interface card that shows all my network and the ones that are connected. So the way Wireshark works is very simple. All you need to do, just start capture. Come to capture and just press start. So once you start like this, the first thing you do is you go and open any website on just open up your browser, check for websites. We can start by checking normal websites to run him. Then also use HTTP website, maybe something that is not having, like just go to example.com. That's just an example domain. Go there. That example domain, you can use that just for illustrative purposes. Now just search different websites. It's going to be capturing the network traffic right away. Then you can see, yes, capturing a lot of traffic, capturing a lot of traffic. So it has captured for some time. What you need to do now is to just click on stop capturing traffic. Stop capturing traffic. So in this capture here, just click on stop. Under capture, click on stop. So once it stops, yes, that stop. Then next thing you now need to do is to Wireshark is going to open up some panes, a packet list pane, that shows a whole lot of details about the packet number, the timestamp, the IP address of the sender, destination of IP address, protocol, size of packet. So let's go to the packet list pane now. See all of these several things you can do here. So you can come to analyze. Then we can also come to capture filter. So what we want to see here is the packets and what's what's wrong, what. So we can analyze all of these things. You can see something here. Some are on red, some are not on red. The ones let's just type here to filter it. So let's type HTTP and test that and press enter. Let's paste that. So that's here in name to filter the HTTP requests. So we can see all the requests that didn't have S in it. So this is the time in icon. This is the source IP address and this is destination. So you can see the source, you can see the destination, you can see that. You can even do a whole lot more and follow it. You can click on follow to follow it to know a little more details about it. So check the HTTP string or TCP string. So you can now all of these IPs you have seen, you can now go ahead and analyze the IPs to know more about the IPs. So that is mainly what Wireshark does. It captures the packet. You can now go and investigate more on the packet to see where the packet is coming from, where the packet is going, where the packet is going to. You can even see the ones on your normal network, ones on TCP faults, the one different faults. So you have to capture all for his traffic, and then you can now begin to do further analysis to see what the traffic is. So really, Wireshark is a powerful diagnostic tool. It gives you much deeper understanding on how the web really works, and you understand